Hello, everyone. My name is James Blake. I am the Environmental Services Manager for the City of Bay City. I'm here today to talk to you about a regional compost facility in Bay County. I originally started out with this issue when I was the supervisor of the sanitation department in Bay City. Originally, we had an in-city site that we were able to take our organics to, but we had to close it due to Eagle regulations, and we found some things that were in there like brownfield and stuff like that. We also, during that time, initiated a food scrap collection program. You know, we didn't have a lot of people that took part in it in Bay City, so they expanded out to Saginaw and some other regions, and you can always bring it here to our facility. So we want to try to capture more of that throughout the county. So some of the benefits here with a compost site in Bay County would be, so all the people could come in here from the county and get their food scraps, take their food scraps there. You could have landscapers come and drop off stuff. You could actually have people who lived around the area come and get the compost after it's made. But the problem I was having was not really getting the site, but was the land to have a site big enough to expand. Bay City roughly captures itself about 10,000 yards of yard waste and probably another 5,000 to 6,000 yards of wood chips that we grind up at curbside. So because I couldn't find the correct land, I decided to go with our transfer station, which had roughly about 5 acres of space. Now, this is a site review that NextCycle came out and helped me do. We walked the property and everything, and initially we thought we were doing pretty good. But with the criteria set forth by Eagle and some of you have to be about 100 feet off the property line, and because of that, you can see through there with the dotted lines, it really narrows down how much of usable land I have. It equates to roughly about a half an acre. You need about 2 acres for windrows, and we just can't do it there. So why is it not feasible? Well, obviously it's the lack of space. You need about 5 acres just to capture what we want or for our city, and we want to open it up to everybody. So moving forward, what are we doing? We're going to try to capture more food scraps. We're going to try to provide a hub for the county. And we're also going to remain committed to the green communities, which we're at a bronze status right now, and we're trying to get silver. I think we're like 3 points away, so I think we're going to do it this year. So this doesn't mean I'm done by any means. Like I said, it's been 3 years. I've moved up a position. I'm actually able to, really push this initiative. So I'm always looking forward to reducing drive time, time that the guys are away from actually collecting things at the curb, diverting more food scraps, and I really want to open it up to the public. So what are we asking for? We're asking for more time and your guys' support. I've recently, just last week, have still been working on this. I found more property that may be suitable, developed more partnerships. I have more meetings going on to get this going. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.